Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to North Ormesby in Middlesbrough. There's a little market today going on here. So let's go and take a look at this market. So we've got some items here for sale. This market's got a different kind of variety of stuff. Come to this side. We've got fans, we've got suitcases, got some bikes. It's really good. I hope everyone's doing well.
Saturday.
Got kids' toys here.
Right. I'll show you that for you.
Yeah, alright. Thanks, Joe. Well, your helmet, how do you say
We've got some household items.
Hello, boss.
We've got a kettle.
Oh, my God.
We've got an air fryer here. We've got a radio CD players. It's good. Right then guys, so this side we've got the clothing, menswear, got some ladies wear here. Good. Got some more kids' toys here, Barbies. Got shoes, sandals. We've got a sewing machine here. We've got a food caravan just here where they sell foods. This side you got all the bags, suitcases, ladies' purses, different. Purses for ladies here, different kind of colours, different kind of designs. Side guys, you got all the shops here. Right then guys, so we got mattresses here. They do free local deliveries. You got single mattresses, you got double, and you got the big mattress here. Got some teddy bears here for the kids. Got ladies wear here, accessories, purses. There's rings here. Here guys, you got some sandals, you got shoes. Look at these cycles.
All of them. Then they're the out office all day.
We've got little chairs there. Good. This side, the guys, you got all the shoes. Look at this, different variety of shoes. Plenty of choices. Some more clothing here. All right. So guys, you got cheap toys here. Good. Got different kind of sizes of hammers. Really good. Look at these. Money box. Quite big, aren't they? I think guys, this side you got all the blankets here. You got bathroom mats. They got pillows here. £10. It's a lovely day today, guys. Lovely day. This side, you've got the crisps here. Different flavours. You got some drinks here. Monster. Who's a Monster fan? Comment below. Different kind of variety of drinks. Right then, guys. So you come this side. You've got all this is 5, yes.
And all that 10.
All that 10. There you are, guys. If you're interested, come to North Omesby Market in Middlesbrough. You've got different kind of variety of hats here as well. Look at this, all kids' hats here. This one's an interesting one, the Prime one. Check that out. Oh yeah, look at that. It changed sides. Oh, that's good. Really good. How much are them?
£6.
£6.
And the rest are all a £5.
£5. Right, okay. So you got Prime hats for £6 and all these hats are £5. Got some vests here, t-shirts. Come to this side, you got this pair of socks. It's all come to this side, guys, you got all fruit and vegetable section here. Fruit, veg. You've got bananas. Some strawberries here. Strawberries. Right then, guys, that is the end of the North Omesby market. It was just a little market which bees on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one. Have a great day.